And last thing is we actually implemented a really good solution, which I'll give a shout out to, called Assembly. And this solution was actually started by a guy called John Fields, who we worked with closely as a partner at ZipRecruiter. And then he left ZipRecruiter to kind of create this company, Assembly. And it's what it basically is a employee recognition software. So what we have found is a lot of times people just want to be recognized, right? Just, and recognize, number one, for keeping and maintaining our company's values. But even if you just did something a little bit of above and beyond, it's peer to peer. So yes, I as a manager can give it to other people in the team, but really anyone can give to anybody. And we've kind of gamified it a little bit. So like we give a currency, which we call Appoints, to the folks, and it's all integrated with Slack. And ultimately, once you get a certain amount of those currencies, you can actually redeem certain types of prizes, and people can then give emojis and thumbs ups, and it's really helped with that kind of day-to-day employee culture.
Wow, that's interesting, because I think you obviously from a tech background are using tech in a big way, and that's great. But the fact that you've honed and using Amanda the whole sort of cultural people piece as well, which is really important, because I think a lot of companies are using the tech and are getting quite au fait, but actually keeping culture or people at the core of it all, whether that's events, quizzes, or various things, and then adding that whole, I suppose, appreciation type of value piece, where people get rewarded in a quite a good way, and quite a public way. I think that's really helpful, and that's keeping that motivation. And obviously, I guess you're finding that